This right here is a championship that gained a lot of prestige in short order, guys.
Yeah, I mean, once a title match is called by yours truly, you know it finally matters in our industry.
Well, you're certainly not Mr. Modest today, are you, Corey?
She's pushed into the corner.
Insult to injury. Ouch. Oh, and she got out of there.
Underhook suplex. Boom, what impact.
Kick finds it.
She had it scouted. What a punch.
I don't think we're going to...
Keeps this title match going with the shoulder up before two.
Optimistic thinking on that pin attempt.
Super kick.
There's more. Corkscrew splash. The champ has this one in hand now. Setting up.
Did you hear the impact?
I think the champ's got it.
Oh, impressive counter.
Samoan drop.
Cover. The champ kicks out with authority.
Somehow still in this fight. Not down and out yet.
And misses on the springboard. Seated drop kick connects.
Saw it coming and got out of there.
And countouts are legal, so hopefully this will be a short trip outside. She heads out of the ring.
Interesting strategy.
All right, she's back in, ready to go.
Super kick finds the mark. Corkscrew splash to finish it off. Now that is why they're the champ. Boom. Boom, what a kick. And she dodged that one nicely.
Oh, quite an effective counter.
I don't think we're going to see it, gentlemen. Power bomb. Oh, into the lung blower. The title's in jeopardy here.
I think the paradigm has shifted.
I can't believe it. We were a second away from a new champion. Are we close to the start of a new reign?
Can't put this one away even after that big maneuver. Can there be frustration? Going forward again.
The champion returns.
Here is your winner, and still Global Wrestling Champion, the Superstar.
Unquestionably a big win here tonight.
This sort of win shakes up the women's division.
Dance, fucker, dance. You never had a chance.